Now I'm visible to you.
Yeah, you are visible. Yeah, it is showing that. Yeah, it is showing.
Okay. So hi Shivani, I'm Sonam.
Hi, ma'am, and I'm Shivani Singh. I'm from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, and I'm pursuing my graduation.
Oh wow, you're Uttar Pradesh. You're my, I can say my state. I'm also Uttar Pradesh, but I'm from
Oh,
Banaras. Yes.
okay. But
Yes.
currently you are living in means
N- Currently, I'm living in Mumbai, but I
yeah.
basically belong to Banaras, like a UP, Uttar Pradesh.
Okay, okay. And
Yeah.
how are you
I'm
today?
good. I'm very
Okay,
good. What about you?
I'm also good. And while
Okay.
talking to you, I'm feel more good.
Oh wow, that's very great. Yes.
And can you tell me that what is the condition of your state, Mumbai, means about the corona?
Now it's cases are nowadays it decreases because before that our cases are more increases. Nowadays the cases are decreases, and now I can say the lockdown are also not that much strict. So
Yeah,
yes,
cases are decreasing this time.
yes. So now it's little, I can say little bit fine, not so much.
Yeah.
Yes. And what
And I
about
have,
Lucknow?
okay, Lucknow. Yeah, there is lockdown in Lucknow, and the situation is not that good. But of course, when we compare the before, then it has decreased much. And
Oh,
yeah, it is good, I can say. But we are just back in our home, and we are can't go anywhere.
yes. I can say everyone like this. Pack your
Yeah,
home.
yeah,
Pack the
everyone.
Okay. So how you connect with me? I want to know.
Please repeat the question.
I'm asking you how you connect with me. I'm asking you
Oh, how means I have connected with you
how.
with
Yes.
email, no?
Why you connected with
Okay,
me?
okay,
Like I'm
yeah,
asking you.
okay. I have seen your video in YouTube, and it motivates me also that I also want to improve my English. And there are some grammatical mistake while I'm speaking, so I want to improve that. And your video inspire me, I can say. And your video is too good. I literally saying I have seen
Okay.
your really all videos.
My all video.
Yeah.
I can say now the my 30 video 24 to 30. I can't remember my video how much is posting. Seriously, I just posted my video, and I after that I can't remember how much. People are saying, okay, this much of your video. Like really, I have posted this much of video because I was posted every day. Now that is why I can't remember.
Yeah. And how you manage
Yes.
your time because you are doing your job also, and with that you are doing with your YouTube. So how you manage both of them?
You can say it's my passion. Apart from my job, I'm busy. 10 to 7 is my job timing. So this time I'm not free. When I come 8 o'clock, so 8 to 9 between I get a 1 hour because after the 9 to 10 between I daily connected with a different people for my speaking practice with everyone. That is why 9 to 10 I'm also busy for practice. Only the 1 hour I get 8 to 9, and in this time I just do all this thing edit, you can say, all my video and all these things.
Yeah, you have all pre-planned day, I think.
Yes, because if you want to do something, so you have to get a time for all these things.
Yeah, right. And oh, I want to ask one question that you get your time for your hobbies.
I can say now, last 2 months, I don't have any kind of hobbies. Apart only though I can say the English is my hobbies nowadays running I can say every 24 hours. Not I can say the 1 minute. I all time
I'm
remembering thinking only the English. And I don't know what's the last movie I watched in Hindi in last 3 months. I never watched in any Hindi movie in last 3 months. I watch
Okay.
only the English movie.
Okay, Hollywood movies.
Yes, yes, yes. Because
I'm
that
also
much of
practicing.
effort you put, na, that is why I was like, now I can speak is English. You can say.
Yeah, and your English is good. Means you are have improved much. And your while you're speaking, your English is really good.
Yes, that is why I'm telling her, like, if you want to like something learning now, so you have to what do you say, I can't remember
You
the
have
word.
to just practice that thing.
Yeah, you have to practice, and you just feel like it's your habit, so that you can do this thing. Otherwise you are like just bored after 1 week, after 1 month, then you
Yeah.
feel, oh, why I'm learning this language? I cannot do I cannot do anything for this language, so that you can't learn. Okay, if you feel like this.
Yeah, I'm also working in my English. Means I'm also started. Means I have a hobby of reading novel. Apart from that, I have also started reading. Means watching web series
Okay.
to improve that.
Okay, but your English is good. Like you are like very good in English. I can say you are study in English medium or.
Yeah, I study in English medium, but um, your your video is not visible.
I'm so sorry. Just one call is coming.
Okay, okay, okay.
Now I'm visible.
Yeah, yeah, you are.
Okay.
Okay, I
But
study in a English medium
yes,
school. I have studied in
yes.
English medium school. But I
Okay.
think that while studying, we are means writing something is things, and speaking is another. Means,
Yes.
um, yeah.
That is
I'm
why your
just
English. That is why I was thinking you're like a whenever I listen this like an English person who that people are spoke like this, and you are also spoken like this. That is why in my mind you are in that medium. That is why you talk like this.
okay. Yeah, but yeah, there are some problem also means grammatical mistake, and I want to improve that. Means I want to make it common for me that when I speak, then it looks very common.
Yes, yes. But it look now a time it look like you're not. I can say not you're facing a problem like a words and sentence. You speak very well. What do you think? Like a
Uh,
grammatical problem, all the people I can say. I also make a
yeah.
so much of a grammatical problem, but I don't think like that. If I'm thinking like this, oh, I'm making a lot of grammatical. That time I will be nervous and I will be not speak like this with you.
Yeah, and I have also by seeing your video, I have also taken the subscription of the Clap and Go 1 week ago.
Okay, you join the
Yeah,
clapping though. Yes,
yeah,
yes.
because I want to work on that, and I can give 15 minutes of my day in Clap and Go, and it
Okay,
helped me also.
okay. So how you feel about that after joining the clapping though?
It is good. Means they are pointing out my mistake, that what mistake I'm doing, and they are also pointing out that the things I'm doing the wrong and the sentence I'm framing wrong. So they point out, and it helping me a lot.
Okay. Yes, they are helping a lot because and not like that we are like in some kind of like a institution like a tuitions kind of like a it's a
Yeah,
friendly environment. You can say the friendly all the tutor I can say in the clapping. So it's feel like it's a friendly, not kind of tutor in front of you. And
yeah, right. Your video again is not visible. Yeah, you are visible
I'm
now.
so yeah, I'm so
It's
sorry.
okay.
Actually, one my boss is calling and I can't pick this call because after that the recording is stopped. I pick that call.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
tell me about your hobbies. Means your hobbies that you do. Not this time, yeah, before also.
Okay, before. I can say I can't get a time for hobbies like listening music. I can say my most favorite hobbies, listening music and like yeah. Actually, I was not that kind of person. I'm very you can say the reserve kind of person. I will not go with my friend outside like anything. I
Really?
don't really. I really reserve kind of. I stay in home. I like this. Okay. And only I passionate like I'm doing a job, like I'm going office. This is only my hobbies. You can say that because I like only this thing. Yeah, you after that now you listen my hobbies now you tell me Sonam is very bored kind of people because I
No,
was not because
you
I
are doing.
see no, actually, I was doing a study also. You know, my MBA also is going on. So I have, if I if I think I do some hobbies, I can't get a time. That is the problem. So not for this time. You can say it's about the 20 to 22 year now. I'm learning also, and I'm doing a job. So apart from both the things, I don't get a time for doing any hobbies. That's the only I can say. I listen to music and gossip with my friends all the time in my phone. That's the
It is
thing is
also
my
good
hobby.
hobby to refresh our
Yes,
mind.
yes. I like the gossiping and all that thing. But apart from all, you can say like some people have like dancing and all that thing. I'm not that kind of people. I'm very simple and that kind of person.
Yeah. Miss, I also not has hobbies of dancing, but yeah, I love cycling.
Okay. It's so good because now you are like I can say you're very young to me. That is why you are doing all these things because you can like that much of environment. I can say I don't have like a in my family. I can say very strict. You cannot allow a where like a cycling and like wearing a Western outfit. They are not allowing.
Yeah.
So yes, someone is joined
Yes.
with us. Okay.
Okay. And which type of dress you like?
I only prefer like you can say traditional dress. I will not wear any Western dress till
Why?
now. My
Why?
family is not allowing to wear a Western dress.
Okay.
Yes,
You
you
look
know
so
I
good in both.
you I'm the UP side now. That actually in my family that kind of thinking don't wear a Western kind of outfit. That is why only wear the dresses and all that thing.
Okay. But you
Actually,
look.
even I can't tell you in my family nobody know I am the YouTube. I create my YouTube channel.
Mean, seriously, you are saying?
Yes. That people are not allowing me to like create the YouTube channel and all that things.
You are doing a great job. Means your content is also so good, and you are seriously doing a great job. You are
Yes,
improving the other English also, and with improving
yes,
your.
yes. But I can't share all these things anybody. But I don't know why I'm sharing with you because you're giving me chance to share with this. Seriously, but till that now, my mom and my dad no, but like my sister and brother no, but my mom dad no. Because I was telling you, please don't say when I become a very good now. That time you that told that so that they will
Yeah.
be like happy. Yes.
Okay, can you tell me that when they will know about that, mean if it happened that I can give you conditional situation, okay,
Okay.
because like a fun, and if they know that you are making a YouTube video on the clapping go means making video of English conversation, then what will happen?
They are just surprising and they are telling why you are doing in this platform. They are actually not, you can say, open-minded person. They are like a very orthodox kind of thinking because they are very, I can say, old time of people. Now that is why they orthodox kind of thinking. So they are not like a feel okay, you are doing okay like this. They are not giving a more importance to these things. That is why. So I will feel I cannot get any appreciate with their side.
But as per my experience, I'm confident that if they get to know about that, they will be very happy. Means seriously,
Hope
they will be
so.
very happy. And if your channel goes monetized, um, they will be very happy.
Hope so. But I was not thinking all this. I just one motive. I have improved my English in a very advanced level. So if this motive I achieve, I can feel I achieve all these things. Whatever my uh, thinking to come the YouTube and improving myself, I can complete my thing aim. You can say my aim at this thing.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah, this time also I'm also giving my focus to improve my English. The main focus is my in this
yes,
because
yes,
this time I'm not going to college also the online classes are going on. So I get the time. So
okay,
I'm just working on it. And I
yes.
want to also share one thing that means by seeing your video, I also opened my channel of
Oh,
same means English
okay.
conversation. One
Okay,
week earlier, 1 week earlier means it is a new channel.
okay, okay. I really not seen your video. Anything this your channel
No,
your channel.
because I have uploaded I think 4 video and I have uploaded that video because I want to improve my English because if I think that if I'm just learning or reading or watching, so it will not work as I will upload the video in daily basis. So it helped me in the long duration. So that's why I
Yes,
just uploaded that all video.
yes, yes. You can, but you now the trying with clapping or tutor. So you just focus on that. Don't I cannot do I cannot say you interact with more people because you're not getting a time. You're also not getting a time. I can say that is why you just so now the time you can focus only the clapping go
Yeah.
after that if you feel you are very comfortable and you can interact with any people you can do this thing because I was doing same thing that is why I suggested you also if you really want to do like this thing it will be help you a lot now
Yeah.
you can see myself also this thing is helping
Yeah.
me not any special thing I am doing.
Yeah. And I've seen your video. Means it is really good. And I
Yes,
learned much about means any topic when I see your video. Then I get knowledge about something, some topic. So yeah, I get. And today
okay,
you are looking
great.
so good, so beautiful.
Really, really, I can't see myself. You can imagine I can't see myself in our mobile, but still I have connect talking with you. What I am looking, I am not because in my side is fully blank. It's black.
Okay, in my side, I can see myself also and you.
Yes, yes, yes. I know because I don't know some problem is my Skype. That is the problem. Okay,
Okay.
so I was very happy, seriously. I can say because now I can feel that if I connected with any kind of people, you are I can say strange person. I can't see
Yeah.
and anytime. And but I feel that if whenever I connect with any people, it's my old friend. I connected with him and I talking with him like this.
Same.
That is why it's not like a unfriendly it's a friendly way I'm before this thing now I'm not when I'm interacting with someone in not in this way so I was very hesitated to talking what they are thinking about me like this but now that time I was very okay she's coming for like a conversation with me English so I was very happy and I will speak very happy in my mind that is why.
Yeah, because that time you have, I think, less confidence. And this time you are full of confidence, so you don't face that type of problem.
Yes, yes. That is why I think so.
Yeah.
And it's my daily routine, you can say. Every day, if I'm not speaking to someone in one day, it's like I can't eat. I can't eat my food. It's like that kind of feeling inside in
It
my
becomes
heart.
your habitual.
Yeah,
It
that is
becomes your
why
habit.
I want some person to speak with me English.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. So anything else you want to ask me?
No, I have asked all the important questions which I have to ask. If you can give
Okay.
me tips that what should I do?
Like I was telling you, you more focus on the speaking
Yeah.
and watch a lot of English movie. I suggest you watch a English movie with a subtitle. With like I watch the subtitle movie. Why? Because I can't uh, understand their accent, because as you know the English movie accent is very different. So that is why the accent problem with me. If you have no any accent problem, so you can watch all that thing. But I watch all the time subtitle movie. That is why I was reading this thing, and because of my pronunciation problem also. So you, I'm not saying you watch the 3 hour movie. I'm only watch only the 20 minutes movie every day. 20 minutes is
Oh.
enough while I'm going to sleeping, because this time our mind is very, you can say, calm and relaxed. So that time we can all the thing capture in my mind. That is why. So all these things
Oh,
you have to do and you will be improved very soon.
okay.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
Mm,
So
yeah, okay. Nice to meeting you.
thank you so much. I will. I also feel very happy. I can say I was not connected like this way. Anybody, I will share with a lot of things with you.
Same here. Means I don't tell anything about this. I was started the YouTube channel. I don't means tell everybody, but I don't know why I tell you all the things like a friend, and I'm
Like
thinking that you are my best friend. I mean, you are my friend, close friend.
yes, that some people are like a feel when we connect in some people it's feel like that, so that we are easily say anything without any like thinking. That's the
Yeah,
happen. Yes. So okay. So we should we very soon connect if you like. I will free in
yeah,
Sunday also. If you like, we will connect in Sunday also. Because now the time I have given the time today, because and the next day is someone else. Like you can say that
you are
everyone is
busy
my,
the person.
it's like a, you can say like the clapping the slot. I can say every day I'm giving the timing. Okay, this slot is yours. This slot is, oh my god, like this thing I'm doing. How it's was. I was sometimes imagine like how it's all this kind. How all this happened with me. I was not plan anything and it will be happen.
Because means I can say one thing that and you are doing a great job. Seriously. And when I see your first video and after continuously I seeing your after that video means last video, then you have improved so much. Means the problem you have focused means you are working. I can see that you are working in your English.
Yes, yes. And the people I can see like people are also observe this thing, how much I'm putting the effort. They people are
Yeah,
understand me. That is why people are connected with me. I can say that.
yeah. Only I think the efforts matter. If
Yes,
somebody is good and he not effort doing effort in that work, so he will he will not improve herself, and
yes,
you are different and you are doing that.
yes, yes. And I want to you also like do this kind of thing and improve
Yeah,
yourself. So
yeah, I'm also doing this. Means I also started the web series, and apart from that I means it can I can say that it is my hobby to read novels. I love to read novels, and if you want that this novel you should read, then you can ask
oh,
me anytime.
okay, okay, I will be.
Because I love to
Okay,
read novels.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah, that's true. Okay. So now the time I can say the bye. Okay,
Okay.
have a
Bye. And nice
great.
to talk with you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, dear. You're so
Thank
good.
you.
Bye bye.
Bye.